So, a lot of these AI agents, as of recent, it's just a whole load of shit. Basically, you know, you you see one, you get excited, and then you find out actually it doesn't really do much. Right? It's back to square one, back to trying to find out what AI agent actually does something and is useful. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be it, but it's definitely something to consider just because everyone normally uses Zapier. And I truly believe Zapier agents are underrated. So today I'm just going to quickly show you what I have created with Zapier agents, right? So what I try to achieve, right, is because I have a small team, right? We run ads, we do automations, we run CRMs, we run AI for clients, we do a bunch of things. It's a small team. However, there are things that I really want to know. And one of those things is for some of our high paying clients, I want to know like daily or weekly, like how their ads are performing. We tend to do lead gen majority of the time. So I want to find out like, okay, which clients are doing well, which clients are doing well. If it reaches like a week with any without a client getting leads, I really want to know. I really want to monitor that without having to click in, having to log in, just kind of be in the background. So this is going to be a Facebook ads agent that we've set up via Zapier agent. And it's pretty much simpler than N810, NA8, not NA10, NA8 or Mate.com or any other complicated platforms that are out there. This did seem to be one of the simplest ways. It's not as advanced, but it does the job, right? So if you're looking for something to monitor ads for clients or yourself on a daily basis, weekly, you can set that up via a Zapier agent. So first things first, log into your account, of course, and go into agents. And when you go into agents, you should see like pre-created agents, right? And pretty much for me, it was making sure that we have an agent that checks clients' lead generation ads and reports back to me every single day, right? Simple. So you tend to do this via making sure that actually it's connected via a Zapier. So a Zapier trigger, if you've used Zapier before, like a Zap, right? So you want to set up a Zap where you connected the account. I know it's tedious. However, it is simple. Anything to do with, linking Meta directly, you need to be a developer, right? None of us are developers. We just want simple things. So for this, you really want to go in and kind of do a quick zap, Facebook lead ads into a Google Sheets, create a spreadsheet row, and create it for every single client that you have or every single platform you want to monitor those ads. And for me, as soon as I do that, then you go into creating the agent, right? On agents on Zapier, it's pretty much like, as it says, right? Create a description, what it does. But this really doesn't amount to anything. It's not really a prompt. So don't mistake it for a prompt because you prompt in behaviors. And data sources is where you link your data sources. So because it doesn't integrate directly to Meta, you want to be able to third source, link it. So by using Google Sheets, that's how I've done it. Google Sheets, and then link the data, but it's live data, right? It's live data. It's connected. It does the same thing. As soon as that's done, it's then going in and creating the prompt, right? So let's go in, and straight away, right? You should be able to see I've got the prompt on the left-hand side here, right? Which is for each client, I want you to check the row and then report back to me. And then at the end of the day, I want you to then report back to me and send me an email on request or send me an email when you have done it. So yeah, if you find this is useful and you want a copy of this, I can send it over to you. It shouldn't be an issue. Or just DM me on Instagram. I should have my details below. But yeah, quick and easy, right? It's not as complicated as you would usually see. Agents on Zapier are straightforward, right? And you should be able to create one in no time, right? It's not as complicated as NA8 or Mate.com. Yeah, I find it really useful. So yeah, if you find it useful too, let me know, and then we'll connect.